this is how I draw a dog. So I'm not going to use this pen. Okay. So, look down here. Okay. My dog came loose, and I went to the park. I couldn't find him. But then bees flew all over me. And so I dropped in a pond, which I jumped in a pond. Jumped. And I ran up a hill. And on the hill was 2 doors. They each had a doorknob. I knocked on the first one. No one was there. I knocked on the second one. No one was there. There was other hills around it. I went on the left hill. And on the bottom of the left hill, there was a trail. And on the trail were some rocks, and then a heart, and then rocks again. Where do you think my dog is at? That's how you do it.
Wow.
There.
Cool.
And now I am going to teach my mom to do it.
Okay.
So,